Hello guys, how are you? How everything is going on from your side? Well, this is Kachia Mishra. After a long time no see, I know I have not made any video. So just like talk about our today's topic. So as usual, you know very well that whatever the topic I select, all the topics are related to all the human beings' problem, whatever they you can say faced in their life. So, as normal, today's topic is also related to our problems. So, guys, fight. I mean, what very well. I think everybody is known very well that India is a land of problems, right? So, India is a land of problems. So, there are lots of problems, and especially just we talk about our today's topic. So, you know very well in today's era, everybody's has very busy schedule, right? Nobody has time. Even the thing that they'll do lots of things, they make plans, right? Even a start also, even the started it also, but it is, I mean, they can't continue their plans for a long time, right? So that's why our today's topic is how to manage our time properly so that we can achieve our goal easily, right? So whatever the topic, I mean, whatever the, you can say, plans or you can say goal you have fixed for yourself. So firstly, I'll tell you that I know it does not work properly, but yeah, firstly you have to write it down that whatever the goal you have, right? I mean, fix for your life, for yourself, right? Write down your goals and right and and after that hang out. I mean, you can say hang it out on in front of your bed, or you can say study table, wherever you spend your lots of time of the day, right? So that's why hang it out in front of your, I mean, in front of you where you spend your lots of time in a day. So so that you can watch your goals properly, I mean, most of the time. So right after that you have to make a, you can say, formula type, right? You have to make a chart, I mean, separate it in four parts, right? Separate it in four parts, and then after make the priorities, right? In first part, you have to make, I mean, highest priority. I mean, and then after second one, lowest priority, right? And then third one, important but not priority, right? Important but not priority, and then last one, not important but priority, right? I think you can understand very well, right? So, right, there are lots of work that are important, but they don't have priority, right? Suppose that you can do that work for a long after a long time, but there is some important. I mean, there is some important work that is not totally important, but it has a priority in compared to other important work. Like there is a timeline that you can't do after that. So after that time, so that's why you have to do that work first, and compare to another most important work than it. So that's why firstly write down your work according to prioritize, right? So yeah, after that you can easily watch that whatever the work you have to work today, right? Whatever the work you have, you can do after, I mean, yesterday, right? But it is important, so you should do that work first. Then after you can do another work that is less important, but prioritize, right? Then after there are some work that are important and not a very high priority. So then after you can do that work. Then at the last, not important, not priority. At the last, do that work. First one, prioritize and important, and then after, priorities and less important. Then after, you can say important and not priority. Important but not priority. And then the last, nor important. I mean, nor most important, nor most priority, right? So in this way you can do your work easily so that you will give your best for the first one, right? So in this way I think you can do your work easily. And accept that if suppose that there are some work that can be done by another people also, so you can give your work to another people. Suppose that if you want to go bank for you can say for withdraw your money or right amount, so it can done by another people also. You can say you can send your brother or sister for this work, but there are some work which can be done by only yourself. You can do that work only. So for that work you have to give your 100%, do that work yourself. But if there are some work that can be done by another people, so obviously you can give that work because obviously they are your relatives. So normally you can trust themselves that they can do that work for you, right? So in this way, prioritize, and then after think that what the work you can done only that can done by only yourself, and prioritize, so do that work. And if it is important, so postpone, or you can say give to your family members or your brothers so that they can do that work for you, right? So yeah, that's it. There are only 2 points that will help to manage your time. And except that, extra tips, or you can say extra things that I'll tell you, that try to get up early in the morning and try to sleep early. I think everybody has listened about it. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise, right? So that's why, whatever the says, or you can say sayings are, all are good for us, but I don't know why people don't believe it. Even me, including me, I also don't. I believe, but it is not easy to implement it, right? So that's why I'll tell you that try to do easily. Try to implement that saying, right? So in that way you can do that work. Okay, so you can manage your time easily. Try to go to your bed at least maximum 11 a.m. Otherwise, it should be at least 9:30 or 10 minimum, right? 9:30 or 10, maximum 11 a.m. 11 p.m. And get up in the morning. It should be approximately 5 or 5:30. Yeah, it is sufficient. Okay, according to me, but it is totally depends on you, that whatever the work you can manage it on your work, according to your work. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching this video. Yeah, thank you. If you like it, so please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.